Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from photo with only Instagram application. So the first thing you have to do is open your Instagram application and make sure that you are in the home sections here, and then you just need to slide your screen into the right side until you have an access into the story section. And whenever you are here, now you just need to add the photo that you want to remove the emojis from. And here I already have it, so I would like to remove this love emoji right here. And the things that you have to do is just go click these three small dots and go click draw. Make sure that you already use this kind of or this type of pen. Adjusting the pen brush to you make the bigger the size, it will make you easier to draw covering the emoji. And then for the next thing we need to do, go into the color picker and pick the color that you want to use for the pen. And now you just need to start brushing the emoji that you want to remove. And that's all. Now the emoji is already hidden and disappear from the photo. So that's the way how to remove emoji from photo with only Instagram application. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.